Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube. Today's video is called the Trading Pit Black Friday Sale 2025, where you get 25% off any one phase challenge up to 50,000. And to activate this discount, use my partner link in the description, then choose your challenge. Like you see here, I picked the CFD Prime Challenge, and that's for 50,000. It's one phase. It's normally 349, but with the code TTP Friday 25, you get 25% off. So that gives you saving up €87, giving you the end price of 261, which is a great saving. Now you can use this promo code as many times as you want during the promotion that lasts until December the 1st, 2025. But also the Trading Pit are doing a Black Friday trading giveaway. So how this works, if you buy 3 challenges under the Black Friday promo, you get 1 entry to win. First prize is a pro trading desk setup with laptop, dual monitors, keyboard, mouse, and the Trading Pit desk mat. Second prize is 1 year of challenges, which gives you one phase challenge each month to the cost of $99 each. Last but not least, in third place, you can get the Trading Pit Premium Merch Pack. You can see here some of the examples of the recent traders and what their payout has been. This guy's got 19,600. This guy's doing very well at 68,000. So remember to claim this discount, use my link in the description to sign up, then choose your challenge, pick one phase challenge up to 50,000, apply this code TTP Friday 25 at checkout, trade and pass, and earn your funded accounts. And this offer runs from now until December the 1st, 2025 at 23:59 UTC time. Thank you very much for watching the Trading Pit Black Friday Sale 2025 video, and I'll see you soon for more Black Friday sales.